Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through Shopee and wondered how to activate your free insurance or manage the options available, this quick guide is going to walk you through the exact steps. It's simple, fast, and you can do it in less than a minute. So stick around to make sure you don't miss anything. Let's get started. First, open your Shopee app and head straight to the Me section at the bottom right corner. From there, scroll until you find Financial Services, then tap See More. This will bring you into Shopee's full insurance and financial hub. Next, tap Explore. Here, you'll see all the insurance categories Shopee offers: car, medical, motorcycle, personal accident, and more. For this tutorial, let's use the free personal accident insurance as an example. When you open it, Shopee will show you the coverage details and the terms. Once you've read through and you're good to go, simply tap Redeem Now. And that's it. You've successfully activated your free insurance. It's instantly applied to your account. To double check, go back to the Me section and select Insurance. You should see your personal accident insurance already marked as active. Tap on it to view the full details. You'll notice that the free coverage lasts for 1 month from the moment you activated it. If you want longer coverage or additional benefits, Shopee also gives you the option to upgrade. And that's the whole process. Quick, easy, and completely free to start. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.